enti afe mehumina sopa mi jidi secheku remda
dama sebiem awade Yesu Kristo dimo mama fishiapa efise and then can so that today is Palm Sunday. But it's unfortunate we are all celebrating them in our various homes and not as the usual one that we've been meeting and celebrating and singing and enjoying ourselves in the church. It has come to that. So we need to also appreciate what the Lord has done in our lives, even as we are inheriting the gift of life in times of hopelessness. Psalm 121, that is where our word of exaltation is coming from. The English version, the caption is captioned, the one who watches over us, or the one who watches over Israel. Yeah, okay, Israel is so no. I don't know, say a kaya. Somewhere over the say. Trofolo can say. Remember, when you so much report. The Father will figure out. No one can say, when you go for baby, you go for the near or poor, we are so poor, so was I say, or boy, or poor, no one now will be a sino. Or no good to or say, or no, and over movie over 9 to walk. Or no, one to cook now on that. Or no, whether so what you feel you figure. Or no, now. So don't want to swap. Or back crowd wouldn't see, I've lifted up my eyes unto the hills. What's come for my help? The writer said, my help comes from the Lord who made heaven and earth. He acknowledged the omnipotent God, the creator, the Adonai, the Yahweh, the I am that I am. He said, you will not allow your foot to be moved. He will keep you, he that not slumber, not sleep. He will keep your soul. He will take care of your going and your coming in and your coming out. He will preserve you from all evil. He will preserve your soul. He will console your soul. He will guide you from the scorching sun, the striking of the day and of the night. He will preserve your going and your coming out, and he will preserve you forever and to the ends of the world. Wonderful. I share some of what he said. Now we are bringing the tree and you need to be able to say radical to. Or see a new policy and you will free the back. And then can say, dear Fumosi, as already and some of you running chair or full the pole. Or call the policy upon a young Cassach. It's your GD says you're coming upon so I want you more if you ever. To a trophy who said, you're more in every possible. In fact, this one has a history behind it. As you can say, I can't say be about, but the person what you say, sir, we have brain is said. So we have been said. Some from the Ponaji, while it's a walk by our way at the enemy. The same way I was just so called a bit so. And now, if you are this, I remember when you say, we have been. And now, we miss a push of phobia, who baby, I want man on it. Send those who hear it, some of the Switzerland might say, some who see feeling, who might be our young say, I really be effort from Mama and kind of find some very anti.
Keep on listening.
Right, it's your share there. Now, what you saw, and your children follow. Every police on the morning to church with your couple. No, no, now, couple say, many, many, the poor, we are simple idea, Nara. Many or poor dear Nakasa. So, to be women, so to be a to be who said, many of the poor, so the assassinate here. And your old family, they are the more, met you also. And to form it to you, no see, friend, ya them, now, Major also. Kawa Sechem, Nambe Yenina, Oro Kawa Sechem, Nombe Yama, or for some reading also called Badinu. na wo ni Nyankopɔn ni obo ade no na onu kutu eno ni mu nioma na onu kutu no bo wiase no ni mu nioma nyina onu kutu lepe ni leono fe no lepe ni baye fe e ka ho ke wo lele ke wo nale ni wo twi benkele lepe ni wo shishi lepe ke wo baya lepe ni ka ebanye e ha wo antidote solution ye no fia no ni wo dwen ni wo sore e wo se ye twi ben no na se ye twi ben yi a onu akasa o se o ma ye na dwembo enu che se o ma wo riti o ma wo to fo da wepra o ma bibi biara e ma o ha ni ama ne nyina mu o se he is your keeper, he is your shade. E ma me baba no ye fa security men o ba kwa na jo one o ba sori abakọ ne che no wada odofo me pese me kire o se Ewurade no se sa wo yi avrimu one wo na wo fi ba ni wo fi ko nyinara oba no so ba si wi asi le wi ye enti fa ho ma no wate fa ho to no so wate no do be hwew no do be kan ho no na obi di ama wo enti me de masem be bi ye me show se bompaye okuto de ni mu ko so atia mu Ewurade no ba be hwew ko fu ko be pon so ehu Ewurade no na obejo afi or how many amen. But if you have that's I don't know whether Jesus Christ who the Thomas say that what we must have back to you. We thank the Lord for another week and another day, another time, another opportunity given to us to listen to His word. The word which is said, it is sweeter than honey and the breast milk. We thank the Lord for such an opportunity. We thank Him, Father, for He alone is worthy. He alone is worthy to grant us all this salvation. He alone is worthy to relieve us from this hopelessness situation. Yedana sisi wamana wochi biru wama ya nkwa, wama ya modern, ya ododo ya nesu ni abalo zunti. Ewurade Yakube tu, ya paswache no buka fa yeso. And it's Yakuma tutu, a bring Biando, so there was a set, what they are chain, some bring no, Usu Yakuma Mubayu Yakuma. Yet I was say, and Pamon Sevadi, by a sub and what, there is a babity was some. Yet the Akumania Bina, the mouse here woofy. Fa a fire near open. But what's some nobody took my money to me, my intimate yassi. Mentiment toya dream to go to your money to an amoy bring. Na ugenye abremu etimi de agina so etimi de yefutu e de amafofo a wo hia ye etimi agina de amana sa oto sa de frey enne ochira na de chi ina kunta pebi obi de cho and that was e wo Yesu de ni amen nuruso ruha metna ejamami nuruso Eti afe mehu minna soka miji di seche kuremda mehu no Yesu ekuru every tetene sorrow and if I make Mini naso no be ti sorrow and if Nina betem ako nansu mini naso no be ti odieti Minyi na sono ani Yesu ni mo